Hey, I hope you're doing well. This video I'm kind of excited about because, well, it's not a regular coding video, it is an announcement video, and announcements are always just fun to do. And with this one, we're taking the community that I'd originally made that would be only for Patreon supporters to be free for everybody. So I think that's going to be awesome. It's a Discord server, and right now it's available. So there's a link down in the description below. You can go and check that out. Click on that. You'll be invited to the server, and you can come and hang out with us. And if you don't know about Discord, it's just a cool sort of chat app, mostly originally developed for gamers, but it's become a much bigger thing. It's a little bit like Slack, if you're familiar with Slack. It's in that vein. And it's going to be a place where we can hang out, chill, get to know one another, and continue discussions on a deeper level than we can here on YouTube. YouTube's comment section, I get notified when you guys leave a comment, but when you reply to comments, it sort of gets lost in the shuffle, and it's hard for me to keep up. So if you have questions or other stuff, it's going to be fantastic. Not only I'll be there, but there'll be other people there as well. So I want it to be a place, I'm hoping that it becomes a place where we can just sort of all help each other out. And I'm excited for that, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So again, the link for that is in the description down below. You just have to click on that. It will give you an invite, and you're in. And that's all there is to it. So that's the big announcement for this video. This Wednesday, there will be another video coming out. That video will be my regular coding video like I always do. And then this Friday, there's going to be another announcement video. So just full of announcements this week, which I don't normally have a lot of. So kind of fun on that level. So yeah, I look forward to the coding one. That one's going to be a lot of fun. We're looking at grid areas. I've done a video on that before, but this one's going to be a little bit different and I think really fun. So I'm hoping really fun. Sort of why I love grid areas, and I want to sort of show off some cool stuff with them. And then, well, then we have the next announcement, but you'll have to wait until Friday to find out about that one. So I really, really hope to see you in the community. Show up there, say hi. Let's make it an awesome place for just learning and getting to know one another. And again, I think if you have any questions or need feedback on stuff, it's going to be a lot easier and a better place than what we can do here on YouTube. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you there. And until the video this Wednesday, don't forget to make your corner of the internet just a little bit more awesome.